Welcome! We have another great home recipe for you to enjoy, the benefits of elderberry herb, also known as Sambucus nigra, and an easy home recipe for elderberry syrup. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra, is a traditional herbal remedy that has been used for centuries in Europe, North America, and other parts of the world. The dark purple berries of the elder plant are especially valued for their nutritional content and supportive role in overall wellness. Let's explore the historical use, nutritional profile, and commonly recognized benefits of elderberry, followed by a simple and practical recipe for preparing elderberry syrup at home. Introduction. Herbal medicine has long relied on plants rich in natural compounds to support health and vitality. Elderberry is one such plant, widely respected in folk traditions and modern herbal practices. Today, elderberry is commonly consumed in syrups, teas, lozenges, and gummies, particularly during seasonal changes. Botanical overview. Scientific name is Sambucus nigra. Plant family is Adoxy. Parts used: berries, which is most common, flowers, and bark, which is less common. Only the cooked berries of Sambucus nigra are recommended for consumption, as raw berries and other parts of the plant may cause discomfort. Nutritional profile of elderberries. Elderberries are naturally rich in vitamin C, dietary fiber, anthocyanins, which are powerful plant pigments, flavonoids, phenolic acids. These compounds contribute to elderberry's reputation as a supportive and nourishing herb. Benefits of elderberry herb. 1. Immune system support. Elderberry is best known for its role in supporting immune health. Its high antioxidant content helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports the body's natural defenses. 2. Rich in antioxidants. The deep purple color of elderberries comes from anthocyanins, which help combat free radicals and support cellular health. 3. Respiratory wellness. Traditionally, elderberry has been used to support respiratory comfort, especially during colder months. 4. Heart health support. The flavonoids in elderberries may support cardiovascular wellness by helping maintain healthy circulation and blood vessel function. 5. Digestive support. Elderberries contain fiber, which supports healthy digestion and regularity. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Traditional herbal use recognizes elderberry for its soothing properties that support the body's natural inflammatory response. Forms of elderberry use: syrups, teas, capsules, gummies, lozenges. Among these, elderberry syrup remains one of the most popular and versatile preparations. Homemade elderberry syrup recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup dried elderberries or 2 cups fresh elderberries, 3 to 4 cups of water, 1 cup of raw honey, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional, 1 teaspoon ground ginger or fresh grated ginger, optional, half a teaspoon of cloves, optional. Instructions: place elderberries and water in a saucepan. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes until liquid is reduced by about half. Remove from heat and allow to cool slightly. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, pressing the berries to extract all juice. Once the liquid is lukewarm, stir in raw honey until well combined. Pour the syrup into a glass jar or bottle with a tight-fitting lid. Storage and use. Store elderberry syrup in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 months. Typical traditional use is 1 tablespoon daily for general wellness. Note: elderberry syrup is a traditional herbal preparation and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease. Conclusion: elderberry herb has earned its place as a respected and widely used natural remedy due to its rich nutritional profile and long-standing traditional use. When prepared properly, elderberry syrup offers a convenient and enjoyable way to incorporate this powerful berry into daily wellness routines. Continued interest in elderberry reflects a growing appreciation for time-honored herbal practices combined with modern wellness lifestyles. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.